Hello, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Wanya. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I will be showing you how to achieve this look here. It is very much inspired by the fall season that will be here, you know, before we know it. It doesn't really feel like it because it's real hot out here. I'm just ready for these temperatures to get down to like, you know, low 70s. No, that would be perfect. But anyways, I'll show you how to get this look here. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep on watching. And also, while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, follow me on my social medias. I'll put it here. Actually, I got one social media, Instagram. If you want to follow me on Instagram, put it here. Alright, so yeah, that's all I have for now. Let's get to the video. Is that going to be the new thing? Maybe. Get to the video. Hey, get to the video. Alright, let's get to the video. Alrighty, starting off using the Urban Decay Primer Potion as my shadow base. Be using the Sephora Collection Jewel Tone I Love palette. I'm going in with this lighter orange and using that as a transition color through my crease. Just make sure the edges are nice and diffused and kind of building up the color a little bit more in the inner corner because I'm going to add the deeper orange to the outer half of my crease. Just building up that intensity and then blending it through with the lighter orange that I put down. Blending out that edge. And then I wanted a little more color intensity, so I continued to build it like so. Next, on the lid, I'm taking this shimmery purple tone here and placing that on the front half of my lid. And then for the for the outer part of my lid, I'm going in with this eggplant purple. I'm just making sure I'm going through where the two colors meet and blending out the edge after I've built up the color to the intensity that I want. After that, I decided I wanted the deeper orange to be a little more pronounced and defined, so I brought it up a little bit more and just continued to build that color. And then I lost a little bit of my color payoff, so I started to build that up a little bit more. And then run it through the crease. Make sure those edges are nicely diffused. Alright, next is building up the lower lash line. I'm taking this more warm tone kind of green shade and put that in the front half of the lower lash line, and then going more with the cool toned one along the outer part of the lower lash line. And then, you know, just blending out those colors, make sure everything is nice and seamless, and rounding out my corner. Then I discovered that my eyeshadow had freaking betrayed me. Really not the eyeshadow, my eye betrayed me. It started watering. Like, look at that. Disgusted. Now we back and happy. Alright, and then off camera, I did a little negative space liner. I did it in a recent video, so I'll post it. I'll put a little link at the top there so you can see how I did that. I just went in and did some dots using a nail dotting tool and some e.l.f. liner. And then for my lips, I used the NARS lipstick in the shade, actually don't know the shade, but it'll be on the screen. Dance it out, dance it out. And we back to lipstick. Alright, and then that's pretty much it. This is a finished look. Alrighty, this is the finished video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting. I greatly appreciate it. Thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And also follow me on Instagram. I'll be sure to put my handle here on the screen. Leave suggestions down in the comment section of looks you would like to see next. And what else? And that is all that I have for you guys. I will see you next time.